Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw from your Ember Fund. Okay, now as you can see on this Ember Fund, they have new interface. That's not how the interface used to be before. If you are using the newly updated app, this is how the interface is now. You will see Bitcoin. You can see wallet. You see Bitcoin wallet here 00. Then you can see SAT reward here. So this SAT reward now is the one you're going to withdraw. But how do you get to this place? We can see we have home here. Then we have wallet. Click on wallet. When you click on wallet now, I normally withdraw to my Bitcoin wallet and then I send it to Bybit for P2P trading. Then you can still use any other option available if you want. But for me, I normally withdraw with Bitcoin, with Ember Fund Bitcoin wallet. So I will advise you, if you have at least $20 and above, that's when you can use this Bitcoin wallet to withdraw. Because if you are withdrawing and you are having like $5, they are going to charge you $2, which means you'll be left with $5. You will be left with only $3. That's if you have the minimum, which is $5. So I would advise you, if you have $15 and above, you can make use of this wallet, this Bitcoin wallet. So as you can see, in this case, I have $40. So I'm going to withdraw this $40 to my Ember Bitcoin wallet. Remember, withdrawal take one week to complete, which means if I should play this withdrawal now today, which is 30th of June 2024, by 7th July, I am going to receive the money. So that is it. Now, as you click on it, you click on the SAT reward, click on it. Then you see this arrow here. Look at this arrow here. I'm showing you guys. Click on the arrow. Now you can see the available withdrawal options. These are the payout options. You can now choose the one of your choice. Like I said, I normally use Ember Bitcoin wallet. So I will select it and $2 will be charged. So I will click on continue. Now you can see high network fee warning. Like I told you guys, you will be charged $2 if you are using it. So if you want to use it, you make sure you have enough balance. So I'll click on continue. Now I'll enter the reward. I'll enter the number of SAT I want to withdraw. Now you can see the total SAT I have here for withdrawal. So in this case, I'm going to enter it manually. 6, then 3, 8, 4. So that's it. You can see that's what I have on my balance. $41 for $40.90. Sorry. So I'll click on continue. So when you click on continue, you can see it here, withdraw amount, and you can see the estimated receiving date. Estimated receiving date. That's it. From July 30th to 5th. Sorry, from June 30th to 5th July. So which means if I withdraw this money from now to July 5th, or from July 5th to 7th, I will receive this money. So I will now go ahead and click on withdraw. So you can see I have successfully placed my withdrawal. That is how to withdraw. So you can see it now, I don't withdraw. So you can see it here, you requested a transfer. You can see it here. And you can see, like I told you guys, is usually 1 week before you receive the payout. So you can see it here, before 7th July, I'm going to receive this money I've withdrawn. And when I receive this money, it will come to this balance. Now, when it comes to this balance, that is when I can now transfer it to, you can see my previous withdrawal here. That's when I can now transfer it to my, you can see here, not enough BTC to send. That's when I can now transfer it to my Bybit and then sell it there using P2P trading. I sell it to Naira. That's how to do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and also comment, then share this video. Thanks for watching. I remain Sparking Media.